Statistical analyses are very useful in social work when we want to engage in research. Before data collection, statistics help in designing the study, determining sample size, and selecting appropriate methods to ensure data quality and relevance. After data collection, statistics are crucial for analyzing data, identifying patterns, testing hypotheses, and drawing meaningful conclusions from the results. Exploratory research designs are used when the researcher seeks to explore new areas where little is known. These designs are flexible and open-ended, allowing for discovery of new insights or the generation of hypotheses for further study. Descriptive designs aim to accurately describe characteristics or behaviors within a population. They do not test hypotheses, but provide a detailed snapshot of a phenomenon, often through surveys, case studies, or observational methods. Explanatory research designs focus on understanding the relationship or cause and effect dynamics between variables. These designs are used to explain why certain phenomena occur by identifying and analyzing the underlying factors. Cross-sectional designs measure variables at a single point in time. They provide a snapshot of the data, allowing researchers to examine correlations and descriptive statistics, but not causal relationships. Pre-test, post-test designs measure variables before and after an intervention. This approach helps to assess the impact of the intervention by comparing changes in the measured variables over time. Longitudinal designs involve measuring variables multiple times over an extended period. They are particularly useful for studying changes and developments over time, allowing for a deeper understanding of trends and long-term effects. One group designs involve a single group of participants, often used in pre-test, post-test studies, where all participants receive the same treatment or intervention. This design is simple, but lacks a comparison group, limiting its ability to infer causality. Designs that with two or more groups compare outcomes between different groups, such as treatment and control groups. These designs are commonly used in experimental and quasi-experimental studies to establish causality by controlling for external factors. Hypothetical development designs focus on generating and testing new hypotheses. They are used to explore potential explanations or predictions that can be further investigated through empirical research. We can use cross-sectional case studies and longitudinal case studies for this purpose. Quantitative descriptive designs aim to quantify and describe variables in detail. They often use statistical methods to summarize data, provide clear numerical insights into the characteristics of the study population. Here, we can use cross-sectional surveys and replicated cross-sectional surveys. Associational designs examine relationships between variables without implying causality. They are used to identify correlations or associations that may suggest a connection but do not establish cause and effect relationships. These are one group pre-test and post-test and statistic group comparisons. Cause-effect. Cause-effect designs, often experimental in nature, investigate causal relationships by manipulating one or more independent variables and observing their effect on dependent variables. These designs are structured to control for external factors, providing strong evidence of causality. Examples include classical experimental studies, studies with post-test only control group, non-equivalent comparison group, interrupted time series, and Solomon 4 group.